Okay, now we have completed exercise 1.3 first Roman, second Roman. I gave the homework in the previous class. Now see the third Roman. Find x plus y divided by x minus y if x equal to 5/2, y equal to minus 3/4. So you should find this one. You have to find x plus y divided by x minus y if x equal to 5/2, y equal to minus 3/4. Okay. Given x equal to 5/2, y equal to minus 3/4 given. You should find this one, x plus y divided by x minus y. First you should find x plus y value. X plus y, that means 5/2 plus y value. What is the y value? Minus 3/4. So 5/2 plus or minus 3/4. Okay. Now find the LCM for 2 and 4. What is the LCM? 4. For 2 and 4 is the LCM. In the 2 table, how many times 4 now? 2 times. 2 into 5, 10. Minus in the 4 table, how many times? 1 time. 1 into 3, 3. So 10 minus 3, how much? 7/4. What is the value? X plus y value is 7/4. Next one, x minus value. X minus y value you should find. X minus y. What is x value? 5/2 minus of minus 3/4. That means 5/2 minus of minus plus 3/4. Find the LCM. 4, 10 plus 3. How much? 13/4 is the value. X minus y value is 13/4. Now you should divide. X plus y divided by x minus y. We know the value x plus y value. What is that? 7/4 divided by x minus y value how much? 13/4. Okay. See here. This denominator will be cancelled. Both are same. So what is the answer? 7/13. Did you understand that? That is the answer. Okay. Come on, do. Next. Today homework is third Roman, second sum. You can do the homework. Same as it is like this only. Now we can do the fourth sum. Divide the sum of minus 13/5 and 12/7 by the product of minus 13/7 and minus 1/2. So you have to divide the sum of these two by the product of these two. Okay. So first you should add these two, then you should multiply these two, then you should divide. Okay. Right. The sum of minus 13/5 and 12/7. Come on, do. Minus 13/5 plus 12/7. Now find the LCM for 5 and 7. What is the LCM? 5, 7, 35. In the 5 table, how many times 35? 7 times. 7 into 13. How much? 7 3s 21, 2 is remaining, 7 1, 7 plus 2, 9. Minus 91 plus, in the 7th table, how many times 35? 5 times. 5 into 12, how much 5 girls? 60. So minus 91 plus 60, how much? 1, 9 minus 6, 3. Minus 31 by 35. Okay. Next, product. The product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. So minus 13 into minus 1 by 7 into 2. Minus of minus plus, 13 ones 13 by 7 twos 14. Now you should divide these two. The sum of this one and the product of this one, you should divide these two. So by the problem, minus 31 by 35 divided by 13 by 14. Okay, now divide. Minus 31 by 35. Here divided by is there. You should convert it to multiplied. What will become it will be? Reverse. Reciprocal will get. So 14 by 13. 14 by 13. So minus 31 into 14 by 35 into 13. Is there any calculation, children? 7 2s, 7 5s. Okay. Now minus 31 into 2 by 5 into 13. How much? 2 ones 2, 2 3 6. Minus 62 by 5 13. 65. Minus 62 by 65 is the answer. Okay, ma'am? Right. Next question, three children. Fifth question. If 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36, find the number. Here what is given if 2 by 5 of a number exceeds? What is the meaning of exceeds, children? Exceeds means more than. Exceeds means more than. That means you have to difference of these two numbers, you will get the answer 36. So what is the number you should find? That is our problem. Okay. So you have to write the fifth question in your textbook, all of you. I'm writing the answer. So we don't know that number. Let the number be x. Okay. Given. What is given here? Given 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36. So let the number be x. We don't know that number, so that's why I take x. Okay. Now by the problem, you have to write the equation. By the problem, 2 by 5 of a number. Which number? We don't know that number, so that's why we are taking x. 2 by 5 of x minus 1 by 7 of x. Okay, equal to what is the answer? 36. So 2 by 5 by x minus 1 by 7 of x equal to 36. Now find the LCM for 5 and 7. How much? 35. In the 5 table, how many times 35? 7 times. 7 to 14x minus. In the 7 table, how many times 35? 5 times 5 ones 5. 5x is equal to 36. So 14x minus 5x, how much? 9x by 35 equal to 36. Now 9x is equal to 36. Here 35 is divided here. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Multiplied into 35. So 9x equal to 36 into 35. Here 9 is multiplied by x. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Divide. Okay. Now 9 ones 9, 9 fours 36. So x equal to how much? 4 5 20. 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14. So what is the x value? 140. Therefore, the number is 140. Okay, ma? Come on, write. Next question, Seema. Sixth one. 2 pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 3 by 10 meters are cut off from a rope 11 meters long. What is the length of the remaining rope? See here, total length of the rope given. This is 11 meters given. 11 meters rope is given. Okay, total length. And they are cutting this rope into 2 pieces. First piece, second piece. Okay, first piece cutting to how many meters? 2 3 by 5 meters. Second piece 3 3 by 10 meters. You should find the remaining cloth. How much cloth is remaining? You should find that length. Okay, children, did you understand? Here, total length of the rope given 11 meters. This rope will be cut into 2 pieces. Okay, first piece is 2 3 by 5 meters. Second piece is 3 3 by 10 meters. And you should find the length of the remaining rope. We don't know how much length it is. So that's why we are taking that length is x. Okay. Given total length of the rope equal to how many meters? 11 meters. And length of first piece. Length of first piece. How much? 2 3 by 5 meters. And next, length of second piece. Length of second piece. How much? 3 3 by 10 meters. Now you should find the length of the remaining rope. Okay. Let the length of the remaining rope equal to x meters. We don't know that length. So that's why we are taking x meters. Okay. Now, by the problem, you should add these 3 pieces. Okay. First piece how much? 2 3 by 5 meters plus second piece 3 3 by 10 meters plus remaining rope we don't know. That's why we are taking x meters equal to total length. How much? 11 meters. Okay. Did you understand this step, children? First piece plus second piece plus remaining rope equal to total length. Okay. Now see these are in mixed fraction. First you should convert into improper. 5 2 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5 plus 10 3, 13 plus 3, 33 plus x equal to 11. Okay, ma'am. Now add these two. So find the LCM for 5, 10. Here not there anyone miss? 1. Okay. So 5 and 10. What is the LCM? 1, 2. 5 to 10 is the LCM. In the 5 table, how many times 10? 2 times. 2 into 13, how much? 26 plus, in the 10 table 10, 1 time. 1 into 33, 33 plus here, in the 1 table 10, how many times? 10 times. 10 into x, 10x equal to 11. Okay. Now add this two. 26 plus 33, how much? 59 plus 10x by 10 equal to 11. So 59 plus 10x equal to 11. Here 10 is divisor. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Multiplied into 10. So 59 plus 10x equal to 11 times how much? 110. So 10x is equal to 110. Here 59 is added. If you transpose to here, what will become? Subtract. So 10x is equal to 110 minus 59. How much? 1, 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 41. So x is equal to 41 by 10 meters. Okay. Now this one convert into mixed fraction. Why? Because they are all given mixed fraction. No? So convert into mixed fraction. 10 4 40. 1 is remaining. So x is equal to 4 1 by 10 meters. Okay. So what is the length of remaining row? 4 1 by 10 meters. Therefore, the length of remaining row equal to 4 1 by 10 meters. Okay. Right.